What's going on? Happy 4th of July. Welcome back to the Wrap Vlog. My buddy let me borrow his Triumph motorcycle. This is a Thruxton R. Already started on the wrap. We're doing Sea Turquoise from Teckwrap. Has a very nice finish. So got that piece done, and looks like a lot of this bike is going to be very easy to do. So I think the hardest part is probably going to be the tank. That'll have to be in sections. But yeah, I'm excited to get it done. So here's the first half, all nice and clean. I'm going to slap that on it. Everything's pretty straightforward. We're just going to lay it on and then just cut a relief cut, and pull those sides, and then just pull that over. Really easy. Anyways, people ask me to do a lot of transition edits. So let's do one for this one. Here's the color. I'm going to throw it at it, and then let's see what happens. Here you go, just for you. There we go. Hopefully that edit came out good. Here's the final product. Just have to do the other pieces now. Pretty much just go for the edges, lay the film down, pull this way to this edge, pull that way to that edge, heat, and then same for those sides. Real simple, just time consuming to make sure everything is cut proper. But I think this came out really good. All right, here we are back on the wrap vlog. Fairing is complete. I will need to take this piece because I need to finish that last side. Did the tank. The tank was not easy. That's okay. Didn't expect it to be. So it was done in some, did use some creative inlays and slices to get where we needed to be. As you can tell, there's a separate piece right here, just so I can go around the cap. Really, I'm not sure if I like that or not, but again, since it's the first install on a bike, I'm trying to work with a way where I can either do that cleaner on future bikes. But again, this was a kind of like a freebie job for my buddy, free install, just really just testing out my skills here on this bike. Everything is coming out pretty good. And I think aside from just that, but I think that just bothers me. Honestly, you can't really tell. It looks really good. But everything else is good to go. I'm ready to finish this thing. So one last side. These badges do just kind of come right off. I'm going to see if he wants me to reinstall them, or we could just order some new ones and just slap those back on. But yeah, ready to finish this bike and see it in the sun. And we can go from there. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, and the bike is done. All right, so the bike is finally done. Other side of the tank is complete. Again, not easy to do, but it came out really well. Just being able to work around all these other sides and pieces. I don't know how I did it. I hope he likes it. It looks really good. So I'm gonna reassemble, put the fairing back on, and let's see how this looks in the sun. Look at that color, man. That is crazy. Whew. So this is the, what did he call it? The Triumph Thruxton R and Teckwrap Sea Turquoise. Came out great. I love it. Interesting project. Hopefully we do more of these. And yeah, I hope he likes it. So I guess we'll cut to that. If you love the wrap work, give this video a like and subscribe for more content. Guess in a video would be better. Yeah, I wanted to see it with the lights on and everything. It's like a superhero. Cool, man. Glad you like it, bro.
It looks amazing.
Be safe.
Definitely looks amazing. Shouldn't be a slow ride.
No.
I'm not crazy.